2022 Jeep Gladiator. We end up installing the alarm system. We flashed the module and installed the alarm that belongs to this vehicle. We had to download the firmware. That way he doesn't have to carry an extra remote control around. To arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock. Okay, that turns on my alarm in the background. So, oh, there it is right there. Somebody bangs on it, opens the door, it's gonna fire off the alarm when it hit the first window. Okay. The customer had to step out. He took that phone that has the app that he's able to arm and disarm it with the linker module, the new one that he's able to arm and disarm it. It has GPS. He gets the alert in his phone when the alarm sets off, but he took off, so I can't show the app. But yeah, basically everything is in what you call it, incorporated in the factory fob. Okay. He did the supercharger on it, so therefore his factory check engine light came on when they changed they added the supercharger. So his factory remote start wouldn't work anymore. So because factory's remote start, if you have a check engine light, it disables it. So when I came here to install the alarm, he asked me if by me adding my system with the remote start, would it remote start? And I wasn't 100% sure because I've never been in that situation that will have somebody give me a car with a check engine light as far as the Jeep goes. I know Ford, if you have the check engine light on, even with my system, sometimes it wouldn't allow my system even to remote start through the firmware, through the CAN bus. But in this case, it didn't matter. My remote start did work, so he was very happy about that. He's no longer have to hit lock and then twice here. In order to do it from my end, it would be lock, 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 and now the car will start. And then the same process to turn it off, lock, 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 and that shuts it off. So it works out really nice for him that now he can enjoy that remote start, and he can even do it from his phone anywhere in the world. He can be in Alaska skiing, and if he's gone for 3 weeks or whatever, he doesn't want to come back to a dead battery or whatnot, he can remote start his vehicle from across the world, and it automatically run for 30 minutes and it will automatically shut off. So that's a nice, I'm glad I was able to get that going for him, even though he did that supercharger and the check engine light came on, and there's no way of turning it off because I guess when you do this type of upgrade, for whatever reason, it turns on the check engine light. So but that's it. I wanted to share that with you guys in case you have a system that you did do the supercharger and your check engine light is on. Now you know that there is a way to to make it work by adding an aftermarket alarm system and have somebody flash the module. It's not an easy installation. It's a little time-consuming installation, but it turns out beautiful. It works out beautiful. It was a shame that the guy had to leave the work, and I couldn't show you guys the app on this phone. But anyway, anybody in Miami who has these Fort Lauderdale Homestead, it has these Jeep Wrangler or any type of JL or the Gladiator, feel free to give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.